Whether your app is about sports or a lifestyle, or something else entirely, it may need a user's location to record routes, recommend places nearby, or even connect them with other users in the area. Huawei Location Kit essentially provides three functions: fused location, geofencing, and activity identification. Convergent locating integrates GPS, Wi-Fi, and base station location data. A simple and easy-to-use API lets you quickly request a user's location and get an accurate response with a 99% success rate. Location Kit also supports offline locating, which greatly reduces your app's power consumption. If your app is a navigation or ride-hailing app, Location Kit, powered by Super GPS, can make huge improvements in user experience. For users wanting to catch a cab or know where to go, an app integrated with Location Kit can accurately tell which side of the street they're on, doubling the accuracy. The geofencing function allows you to set places of interest and the corresponding notification rules. When users enter or leave defined areas or stay there for a length of time, your app will automatically send them a notification. Location Kit supports on-chip geofencing, which consumes 35% less power than geofencing based on application processors. Location Kit's activity recognition function is particularly useful when integrated into health and fitness apps. Huawei devices contain multiple sensors that can detect different activities, such as walking, running, cycling, driving, or resting. These sensors send low-power signals to your app, which then uses this information to adapt services to users. Huawei Location Kit provides a better user experience by letting you add fast and accurate location features while using less power.
I hope everyone found the video insightful. So now I'd like to take you guys through how to integrate the Huawei Location Kit. The Huawei Location Kit provides accurate location information services for application, and this is possible as the Location Kit combines GPS, the Wi-Fi, and base station location data to allow developers to obtain precise user locations. The process of integrating the Location Kit into an application can be broken down into 3 steps. Step 1, configure your project with Location Kit dependencies. Step 2, applying location permissions. Step 3, developing the Location Kit function. So let's begin with step 1, which is configuring the project with Location Kit dependencies. Below is the Location Kit SDK dependency syntax to be added in the app level build Gradle. In step 2, you need to apply the location permissions. The permissions required to retrieve the user's location are the access course location, the access find location, and the access background location. All these permissions are to be added in your manifest file. Moving on to step 3, which is developing the Location Kit function. Firstly, you need to create the location provider client and the device setting client. Secondly, you need to create a location information request for location updates. The location request clause can be used by developers to request regular location updates of the user. Please note that the value specified in the set interval is in milliseconds, and the location request clause will keep requesting for location updates based on the set interval. You would then need to create a result callback, which will retrieve the user's current location. The location callback clause returns the current user's latitude and longitude. I would suggest that in order to retrieve more specific information using the latitude and the longitude returned by the location callback, the geocoder class can be used to retrieve more specific information such as the user's address, the country they're in, the postal code, and any other relevant location information. After creating a result callback, you need to create a function that will request for location updates with a callback. Lastly, when coding the My Fuel Rewards app, the challenge I faced was retrieving the nearby Shell garages and displaying them on the Huawei map. Therefore, I decided to look for ways to accomplish this, and I came across the TomTom online search API, which allowed me to locate nearby garages based on the user's current location. So let me take you through how to integrate the TomTom online search API and display the results on the Huawei map. Firstly, you need to add the TomTom online search SDK dependency syntax to the app level build Gradle. Below is the extract of the syntax to be added in the dependencies. Within your Java activity, you'd also need to specify the TomTom online search API URL, and the URL should contain the search criteria, the API key, and the user's coordinates. The search results will then be stored in a string builder and will allow you to be able to display each Shell garage's coordinates on the Huawei map. So now I'd like to show you the results that will be displayed once you have integrated the Huawei Map Kit, the Huawei Location Kit, and the TomTom Online Search API.